So I'm just going to ask John to share his screen, John Hyland. Thanks very much, John, to demonstrate this PinUp application, please.
Yeah, hello everyone, and thank you, Áine, for that. Can you all hear me firstly?
Very well, John.
We do.
Perfect.
Yes, thank you.
So I'm just going to speak about PinUp.com. It's a tool that I've used for the last maybe month and a half, and it's not one I was familiar with before that, but it's quite easy to use and it's free. So firstly, it's a digital pinboard. And a common feature of co-design processes and participatory processes is the use of these post-it notes and sticky notes. They come in very useful for different participatory exercises. And PinUp is a free online web version where you can actually collect people's ideas. It's very useful for brainstorming and participatory exercises like that. The really useful thing about it is that you can invite different people to partake in a particular exercise. And because it's web-based, it's all the content is provided in real time. What's particularly useful is if you use a platform like Zoom, that you use this in conjunction with it. So you're getting the audio and you're getting the visuals of people are logged onto your PinUp board at the same time. They can see what's happening, and the ideas that people generate, they're provided in real time as well. It's available across all platforms. It's not available as an app. So you use it through whatever browser that you use yourself, whether it's Chrome, Internet Explorer, or Firefox, and it's accessible through all of those. So essentially, when you just access it by or access it rather by going to Google, typing up pinup.com, that'll bring you to this this website here: sticky notes, corkboards, and collaboration. And once you're registered, you'll be brought to what they call an empty canvas. So this empty canvas is where that you and your participants can generate ideas. So if you want to conduct a brainstorming exercise and you're getting particular ideas, you simply just add a sticky note like this. And within that, you can type any idea that you have, idea 1, and then it saves it. And that's it. Or you can use this button here to create a sticky note, and again that creates another sticky note. In real time, people can collect ideas together. You can move the sticky notes around in any way that you see fit. I did mention that it's available across all devices, and it is. I would suggest that it works a lot better on PCs and laptops rather than tablets or phones. On tablets or phones, you're only really able to view this outermost left-hand side of the screen. So anything that's dragged over to the left-hand side, you won't be able to see. And by their very nature, that the screens are quite small, it's very hard to, navigate and to really comprehend what's happening. But at the same time, you can still create content and all that. If it's a quick and easy exercise and just gathering ideas, it's perfect for it. So I'll just bring you to what we did for the FAIRshare project about a month and a half ago, where we collected different content based around digital tools, and this will kind of give you a quick overview on how it's particularly useful. So you create different ideas, you create different content, you can color code it using this. So you can color code it using different functions. So this function here, you can color code the post-its. So all the pink post-its we used for this particular exercise were from a brainstorming exercise that was preemptive to this. So we used this as a card sort. So a card sort is essentially where we're collecting themes from the brainstorming exercises, and by actually color coding, headings differently. So the headings of the different themes are color coded yellow rather than pink. We get a clear and comprehensive view of the different themes and different categories that kind of were the outcomes of that exercise. So it's very useful in that regard. I found it very, very useful for brainstorming and card sorting.
Thank you, John. So yeah, PinUp is very exciting, and its main elements of brainstorming, the function that you can sort those or put them into a timeline or rank them, is really very, very useful and very consistent with key activities of facilitation and co-design. And furthermore, everyone who's ever used it, in our experience, finds it incredibly easy to use.